All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning, good morning. Uh, as I told you all before, this is supposed to be my collard green. I'm sorry, this is supposed to be my cabbage bed. That is my collard green bed. That one there on the far left is my Brussels sprout bed. And I got these plants over a month ago. September 9th is when I got them. And I was just going by the labels, but now I am completely convinced that this is a collard green here. This is not a cabbage. This big beautiful thing here that I planted on September 9th. Today's the 21st, I believe, October 21st, I think, 21st or 22nd, either one of those. Um, you see, this can't be a cabbage. If it is, but you see how big it is already. You see my hand compared to this, and these leaves are going to get probably another about twice the size. But you can see how big this is already. This one took a little bit of caterpillar damage. I don't see any caterpillars on there now. I smashed them all up, and they seem to have gone away. But you got to check. You got to check on like a daily basis, man. You can't go a couple of days without checking for bugs if you're organic. This may be a cabbage. This may be a cabbage. This one also, this may be a cabbage as well. This may be a cabbage, but I don't see a ball forming or anything like that. So, yeah, we got a guy that drives a truck home every night. Anyways, this is just an update. I'm gonna water my plants now. Just came out. Just an update on the collard green cabbage challenge. As you can see, they're getting pretty big. They've only been in the ground for about a little bit over a month, or about a month and a week or so. But they're getting huge. And if this is a collard green, this may be on my plate in about a week, because I can't resist looking at these leaves and thinking. And what I'll do is I'll do a what do you call it? I can't remember what they call it, but when you go ahead and I'll make a video on me planting these. Well, not planting, because I don't have any video footage on me actually planting them, but I do have video footage of what it looked like when I put them in the ground that same day, anyways. So from seed to plate, I'll make one of those videos. But yeah, this one here in particular is looking amazing, and the sunlight that we're getting now is really helping out. Really helping out. So I'm just gonna keep watering this bad boy, or all of these bad boys and girls, and keep you all posted, man. I'll keep you posted. This is a really good run so far, and for all the other people in this challenge, hey, good luck. Till next time, I'm out of here.